Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to divide the screen into two different columns so that you can easily make references to textual evidence in your answers, okay? So right now I have two things pulled up. I have an assignment where down below I am being asked to reference flip for my answers, okay? Where I'm going to have to use textual evidence to support my ideas, all that good stuff over here, okay? Um, so instead of me going back and forth between flip and this and trying to remember what the textual evidence said over here and go back over here and write, that's too complicated. All right. So what I would recommend you do is you just do a split screen. By doing that, you just pull forward the first assignment that you want to move. So do you see how I just kind of pulled it forward into its own entity? I'm going to drop it. All right. As I drop it, it kind of comes full screen. This section right here, I'm going to click on and try to move it as far over as the screen will allow me. And in a minute, you're going to see it kind of catch it. And do you see how it caught it and it made it full or partial screen? Once I let go, it makes it a perfect partial screen. Now all I need to do is the same over here. All right. I'm going to pull from this section. Note that I'm not touching where it says classwork for Wolfert 7th. I'm actually clicking to the right of it. And do you see how it made it a split screen for me automatically? Now what I can do is when I have to reference chapter 5 and 6, I can go all the way down to chapter 5 and 6 when it loads, of course. So let's just say I wanted to use this for textual evidence. Now, instead of going back and forth trying to remember what all of this says, I can actually go in here and just type. And of course, making sure I'm documenting it properly. It'll just make your life a lot easier. I know some of you guys already know this drill already. Some of you guys didn't. I hope this helps. Take care.